So this is what we normally call farmers' disappointment. So if you look at this farm, the farmer had planted the maize for making silage from maize. A whole 1 acre is now gone because the rain has failed. So you can see now this maize will not go anymore and it's on news because it has failed to grow. So this is when we talk about sustainable fodder, it is good to plant sustainable fodder like pangchongwan or supernapian grass or any other fodder which take less than 3 months to grow and which will is always drought resistant. So if you look at this farm, the farmer is now crying, and this is the most disappointment ever. So what about the cows? What is he going to do with his cows? Because they need silage, they need feed, but you can see now the maize has failed due to lack of enough rain. So dear farmers, it is advisable for any farmer to plant fodder which is resistant to drought or drought resistant so that you can have feed security in your farm. Thank me later.